cause of death from Gabby Petito's autopsy is yet to be revealed. However, results show it was a homicide. A big question that many ask is whether or not Brian Laundrie owned a gun. I looked into this, and here is what I found. When the FBI searched Laundrie's family home in Northport, Florida, photos of Laundrie's bedroom were revealed. The gun was painted red, white and blue like the American flag. Brian used to work at Publix, and his colleague mentioned that Brian carried a concealed weapon. He also said that he knows for a fact Brian had his CCW in Florida. Another employee that knew Brian said that he was big into guns, and that Brian 100% had a gun. He also said that they spoke about guns before. A picture on TikTok emerged that showed Gabby Petito holding something in her hand that resembles a gun. Some have suggested this is the same object that is seen in footage from a YouTube family's video which filmed Petito and Laundrie's van prior to her disappearance. The video, which some believe was used to locate Petito's body, shows an object and what seems to be one of Laundrie's sandals near the van. Photos allegedly taken at the crime scene where police found her body revealed a log with spray paint on it and what appeared to be bullet holes made in the wood. This started speculation that the bullet holes in the wood and the gun found in the Bethune video meant that Petito had been shot by Laundrie. With this limited evidence and a lack of autopsy results, it is impossible to confirm these theories at this time. I would love to hear what you guys think. Is there a specific reason as to why the cause of death has not been revealed?